One go. What's up, y'all? In this video, we playing with Sergio the Gamer. Yeah, exactly. That's his real name. If we actually get this dub for the video. Alright, let's go somewhere inside it. I'm going to try hard. Yo, look at all those no skins. Tower. Ooga booga 360 ooga booga booga. If I get knocked, I'm done. Huh? Alright, hold on.
That's I'm making this with my teacher. He's a boy. I'm making this with my teacher.
Alright, y'all need to be quiet.
Try it like
Alright,
a
can you be
bracelet.
quiet, please?
Try it like a bracelet. Bracelet. He's not
I'm gonna be quiet.
For what? It's not your house. That is
That's one thing I should do.
What is this?
Alright, I'm back. And nobody even landed at the towers. Nobody even landed here. I don't even have a shotgun. Ooh, I got an epic sports rifle. I gotta fix my inventory real quick. Oh my god.
Does not work.
I know that. Well, then don't put it in. Then don't put it in. Are you, what's it called? Are you still in laptop today? Alright, I got this. No, I don't got nothing. I don't got no trap. I got nothing. This tower was ass. Alright, I got a deagle. Let's see that. Alright, hold up. First I need a shotgun. Um, yeah, here, get it. I'm gonna drop it for you. It's 2. Alright, I got a shotgun. I got a shotgun. You got shotgun ammo? Oh, I got a launch pad. What color? Yo, I see somebody. They building. They beat it. I know. I saw him too. Give me a shotgun ammo first. I did. I did. All right, let's go, Rev. Build. Put the launch pad down. I knocked down one. I knocked down one. Yo, I knocked him. I knocked him, Brian. I knocked him. I killed him. I killed him. I killed him. Yeah, I killed both of them. They sucked. They're easy. I killed one when he tried to jump in the air. I sniped him. I shot him. I bet he's so salty. You was scared of them? You know the LMG doodoo, but it's purple, so I'm taking it. Who's that? What is that? What is that? Ooh. You get the LMG. I don't want that. Uh, I shot him in the air. I shot him in the air. Like, right before he used the launch pad, I shot him and I hit him in the head. It was a lucky shot. He got down, too. Oh my god, there's somebody. It's a flamingo on the tree. It's a flamingo on the tree. Come on, come on. There's people opening the drop. Hold on. Yeah, I missed all my shot. Break the tree, bro. Break the tree. Hey, bike. Open it, bro. I need shotgun. Oh, what the fuck? I got sniped. I got sniped. I'm done. I got sniped, bro. I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. Hold up, bro. I'm using a med. Yo, give me some. You got anything? You got some? What's it? Pass it. Oh, thank you. But you got anything? What's it called? Like a med kit? God damn. Ooh, let me heal up first. Let me heal up first. Let me heal up first. Cause I'm gonna die. Now you give me a med kit. Here, drink this. Edit the door. Edit the door back. I'm trying to get sniped. God, god damn, bro. Yo, I can't edit this door. I can't edit it. Oh, there you go. Oh shit. Yo, it's a no skin, bro. It's a no skin. It's a no skin.
I can put on your account. You put on my account. So I could put here.
Oh my god, I missed my shots. Wow, you killed. You stole my kill. Ooh, it's a rocket launcher. Fuck it. It got no ammo.
Damn.
For rocket launcher? Yeah, I got a purple tech. He's pulling up. He's pulling up. He's pulling up, bro. He's pulling up. Yo, what the fuck? Get him, he's like, get him, get him, get him. I lagged too. I don't know what the fuck. Who just shot me? Hurry up, get me before the no skin glide in. Get me. Build. They pushing, they pushing. Yeah, bro, he's IE. What the fuck are you doing? Hurry up, bro. I'm finna die. I'm dead. I'm done. Well, that's the video. Alright, if Zyke will win this, then but you got this, bro. I don't know how. I got one tap with the shotgun. My mouse keeps disconnecting. You hit him? There's a no skin right there. Laser him. Laser the no skin. He gonna team tag you. He gonna jump me on me. No skin on the hill, bro. No skin on the hill. Told you. You're dead. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Alright, you got this, bro. Kill the no skin, bro. Kill the build! Oh my god. You see this? Wait, there's 3 players left, bro. We actually can win this, bro. We actually can win this. There's 2 players left, bro. Oh, back up. Oh. It's a 1v1v1. He really trying to run away. He's a no skin, bro. Wow.
Add me.
All right, go. No, I'm leaving. I gotta invite my little brother.